Hello, and thanks again for joining GoToShift, the smarter, faster, better way of scheduling for your business. In this online tutorial, we'll go over the most important tasks you have to do before you can start scheduling employees, which is how to add employees, locations, departments, and job tags for your company. A couple of quick definitions here for you before we get started. Locations can be added, such as different cities, Chicago, Detroit, Atlanta, or multiple locations within a particular city, if you have different branches within that same city as well. Departments are areas of a company where your employees can work, such as sales, operations, delivery, customer service, waitstaff, etc. It can be a lot of different things here, as you can see. And job tags are simply job titles, so production operator, waiter or waitress, sales representative, driver, customer service agent, office manager, etc. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's get right to it and go straight into the employee module of the tool, which is in the employee section in listings. Select that. Here you can add your employees in one of two ways. One, add each employee individually and fill out the respective fields within the input form that pops up. Or two, through the mass upload tool, which is an Excel file you download directly within this view and re-upload into our system. So, to add an employee individually, let's go ahead and do that right now. All you have to do is hit the green add button here in the top right hand corner. Then an employee form pops up with blank fields for all information about the employee you wish to add. A lot of that information is basic, but the ones I'll talk to specifically here are role. So you're given three options here. You can give an employee admin, manager, or employee access. Don't give the employee admin access since it's most likely going to be you, being the owner of your company. Select employee, which gives them the most basic level of access. This is the likely field for a majority of your employees. Then, assign a location, department, and job tag for that employee. The cool thing here that you'll see, which is a differentiator for our scheduling tool, is that you can assign an employee multiple locations, departments, or job tags, and assign defaults for each employee to give you added flexibility in scheduling. And I'll demonstrate that here right now. Let's assign this employee location of Detroit, location of Chicago. So those are the locations that they can be scheduled against. But the default location will always remain Detroit unless you decide yourself to go ahead and change it to Chicago. Then that'll be the default location that shows up for them on the scheduling calendar. Repeat the same process for departments and job tags as well. The final field you can set if you wish is called max hours. Right over here, which allows you to set a limit for an individual employee in terms of hours worked per week, if you wish to add those types of controls for any reason. The scheduling calendar will not allow you to schedule that employee for anything over 40 hours per week. For example, if you set the parameter here as a maximum hours of 40 hours. You can do it for 20 hours. Or leave it blank and there is no control in place and you can schedule however many hours you'd like for that particular employee. Let's go back to the main employee listing view. The other easy way to add multiple employees is through our mass upload tool, which you can also access here on this page in the gray arrow icon right next to the add button. Click that button, then an upload employees dialog box will show up. You want to click where it says download CSV template at the top, which then prompts the Excel template to download and open for you. Once the file is open, you go ahead and enter in all the key fields, columns shown where applicable, and do that for however many number of employees you want to add. Like so. Enter in the data here, and the number of employees, however many you'd like to add. After you're done with that, you want to save this template somewhere locally on your computer so that you can then go ahead and upload it back into the scheduling tool, which I'll demonstrate here at a high level. X out of this. You want to choose your file that you just saved locally here, then click upload. Of course, we're here to help you all the way through this employee setup process to get you going, so GoToShift can help you mass upload your employees, and we highly encourage you to reach out to us so that we can do that for you as well. The other thing you want to do before you enter employees is also add the various locations, departments, and job tags for your company. This is a really simple process that I'll quickly walk you through in this section here. Navigate down to the locations section, and you'll see your current master listing of all locations for your company. All you have to do is click the green add button and add the name of your location. And I'll demonstrate that here real quick. Let's add a location of Pittsburgh and create it. The only required field is location name, just like I filled it out, but feel free to enter anything that you'd like in the other field as it pertains to address, city, state, zip, etc. The description field can be used to add anything relevant about that location you'd like, any commentary, etc. Follow the same process for adding departments and job tags as well. That's really it in adding employees, locations, departments, and job tags. If you have any questions about this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@gotoshift.com, and we'll quickly answer any questions you may have in getting you on board and using our fantastic scheduling software. Thanks again, and see you next time.